Morning everyone, first video of the day, first video of the week, starting off here on Monday. Over the weekend I read this really awesome book. I was listening to the Empire podcast by Bedros Keuilian. I think I said his name right, but if I didn't, Brian will correct it for me. And he gave a list of 10 books that he really liked, and one book that he talked about was by Napoleon Hill. If you've heard of Napoleon Hill, he is the dude of dudes that started the self-development, motivational type of thing a long time ago, and he wrote one of the greatest books ever, Think and Grow Rich. He also wrote this book called How to Outwit the Devil, which is very controversial. His family actually hid it for over 40 years after his death. And I read it over the weekend, and it was an amazing read. I couldn't put it down. I went through the whole book yesterday. And one of the big take-homes for that he talked about was the idea of habits. Habits can take you into a positive direction or can take you into a negative direction. And controlling your habits, like good habits, like getting up, eating right, moving right, having good values can really put you in the right direction. But the bad side of habits, eating bad, taking drugs, being addicted to things can put you in another direction too. So when it comes down to it, your habits make you who you are, and your routine and your guidance and everything like that. And you can control your habits, but they can eventually over control you, and you can be too much on one side where you can be doing a lot of bad things, but you also can overdo it on the positive side as well. So be in control of your habits, be in control of what you do. And the one thing you can always control is your routine and how you take on the day. So I'm a big believer in that and getting the day started off right and controlling the part of that, because the rest of the day can be chaos, but if you start the day off right in the right way, you're going to be in a much better place. So our video a little later today, we're actually going to talk about trying to figure out if you're having a neck problem or an actual shoulder problem. It's really actually easy to tell if it is, but it gets misinterpreted and misdiagnosed all the time. So have a great Monday out there. We'll see you guys later, and go kill the day.